Ivan, my name is Mervin Abegunardhan. Today I am going to take you to the beautiful place which is situated in a Galle district in Sri Lanka. So this is actually really situated 25 kilometers away from the Galle. So this is the place where we can have a beautiful nature. This is really good place blend with the nature. Bird life, vegetation and landscape. So first of all, I would like to take you to the beautiful place where you can stay. This is called Great Villa Nature Paradise Resort. So I'm going to take you to that villa and I'm going to talk about this villa a little bit and then I will show you. We have a lot of experiences in here, not only this. So we can have so many experiences. The one by one, later on I will present you what are the icons in this place. Thank you very much. Let's go to see and meet the villa. Hi everyone, my name is Mervin. Can I talk to you a bit?
Okay, let's sit down.
Thank you everyone. I heard about this place. This is such a nice place. So I would like to know about the history of this place and how you create this. Can you present something?
Okay, I can tell you, but this is not my property, but it is my father's property.
Huh.
Now we have related this with Dahanayake, this is my father.
He's a father. Is he a planter?
Yeah, plant.
Ah.
He's a plant. Then I am after him. I am the owner.
Ah.
Now I am the owner. So I am related this thing. I am a very lover of the nature. Okay.
Like myself.
Okay.
Because I'm really love with the nature. So because when I come on the way, it's really interesting. And when I enter to this place, it's such a beautiful place. Because I have traveled a lot. So, but I'm really happy with this place. So this is nice. So you did a great job.
I have renovated this after him. I have renovated and converted this room as a villa. So I want to.
You are going to share with the people.
Yeah,
You are not selfish. I think you happy to share the experience because we have a lot of people who love for the nature. You are going to share with this nature with the people, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Kamal, can I see your villa?
Okay, I can see.
Okay. Thank you.
Let's go.
Beautiful place. Please, come and see this.
Birds.
Even you have a bird nest in the house, inside of your house, right? Are you feeling there? Good. It's a beautiful place. Really beautiful. Mr. Kamal, how you got this idea to organize all this furniture? Is that all old furniture or?
Yeah,
from your father? How many rooms you have?
Only 3 rooms.
3 rooms.
Yeah.
All are in the ground floor or?
No, upstairs one.
Good.
Down one.
This is a pantry, no?
Yeah, this pantry.
The
bedroom.
Bedroom, no?
Yeah.
So this is double room. Good. It's beautiful. Do you have air condition or?
But no, we are.
You have air condition,
yes.
hot water?
Hot water.
Very comfortable bed and this bed is very nice. Very interesting. And nice bathroom also.
Yes, and bathroom.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Golf power. Yeah. Big pantry.
Yes, of course. So they,
The pantry.
my friend, if you come here, you can share the cooking experience
All are
with
completely.
Mr. Kamal's wife. She is a very good cook and she will make you beautiful dishes, Sri Lankan dishes, because they have their own garden making
All
some
fruits and-
fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and
So
vegetables,
yeah,
all stuff.
then you will have a nice experiences in here. So this is their pantry.
Pantry.
And you can join with Mr. Kamal's wife and make some food. Huh?
Food and juice and anything.
Everything. Huh? Good. Now I'm going to the upstairs, so you can come and see that what we can have in there.
I show you.
I'm really interesting about these.
But with this wood.
Yeah. What is it?
This kittul, hardest wood in this thing in Sri Lanka.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
This is
the ironwood and this is the same. So, yeah.
This is trickle tree, no? From trickle. Kittul, yes, you call kittul. Very, I heard it's a very useful tree for the people. Wow, another good place. So this place you use for evening, enjoy with their drinks and all, ne?
And they also the one again here they use this also.
With some nice music. Have a peaceful drink and have a peaceful song.
So,
Good.
let's go. It's like
Yeah.
in the room.
Yeah, I'm happy to see this room also. Wow. I don't have idea how you organize all these interior
My
design.
own ideas and then my
Really?
Yeah.
Very interesting. Wow.
What about this one? But no.
No, it's alright. I know that. Yeah. You have a beautiful balcony also. Ah, this is the balcony.
Yeah. All around you can see the
I can see your garden also here.
vegetables.
Vegetables,
We are
fruits.
applying here. Our own.
It's all organic, no?
Yeah, organic. No chemicals, nothing.
That's another experience. Yeah. Wow, it's a beautiful mountain.
You can see all surroundings here. Peaks,
My friend, you can see the beautiful mountain in front of my place. So this is ideal place to stay with the telescope. Then you can observe all the birds and some mammals like monkeys, because in here we can see giant squirrel and black bear monkeys, and if you have enough luck, peacocks, and peacocks are quite common, but you have a possibility to do the night trail in here. When you do the night trail, you can have some nocturnal animals like porcupines, wild boars, and polecats, and especially owl. So it is another experience, night trail. I will tell you what are the possibilities in here when you are staying in this place. As I told you, this property, it is situated in a small valley. It is surrounded by the beautiful mountains. No? Am I correct, Mr. Kamal?
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's all.
Right. So in this mountain, they did the plantations. These plantations with tea.
10 acres.
You have a 10 acres in here, right? You have a tea,
Yeah.
cinnamon, pepper,
Pineapple.
the fruits and
Fruits,
vegetables. Right? Another experience. I mean, another story. When you come to Sri Lanka, you can see a lot of tea plantations. In here, you can have a low-grown tea. So low-grown tea, it is not a large scale. The small-scale plantation. So then you can enjoy with the tea plantations, and you can join with the people to pluck the tea, and you can go to their own vegetable gardens and pluck the vegetable from there and take it to the kitchen and cook with Mr. Kamal or his wife, like this. So this is another nice place of this property. Wow. When I'm going to stay here, I don't want to miss this place.
Out of light.
Yeah. This is a nice place to enjoy the nature. Listen to the nature. Listen to the bird calls. Relaxing. Now I'm going to take you to their garden so we can see what they have there in the garden. Please come with me. First of all, you can see some pineapple, then pepper like this, and they have a lime in there, cinnamon and all. So this is one part of their garden, but I would like to take you to their vegetable garden. So in that place you can have a beautiful idea with how they grow all these vegetables and all. Let's go to see them. Now I am going to take you to another icon of these premises. So it is a place where we can have a freshwater swim. It's a natural pool actually. It is another creation of this owner because this foothill also belongs to him, and through this land he has a small water spring which is started from that mountain. I showed it early for you from his villa. So this small water spring started from that mountain. It's really fresh water and it is going to flow through this land, and he got idea to make a natural swimming pool in here. So he got a chance to take the water from that small canal and he sent it through his tank, small tank, and he created swimming pool, and again they release that water to this small canal. Actually, this natural pool, it's not only for his guests, and he opened it for the people, even local and foreigners both. But when he's going to give this chance for the people, visitors, he wanted to have some small conditions. These are the conditions what he made for the visitors, because when the people come here, they really have should have idea how to keep silent, because this is a real nature place. If we make a big noise and if we play the musical instruments and all, it can be harm for the nature. So Mr. Kamal, he wanted to keep this place silent, and that's why he make a small conditions for the visitors. Then it will be work out. Now I am going to take you to the swimming pool, and I will show you the place where they have a swimming pool. That place not only with swimming pool, but also there's a small library and some huts to enjoy their food and drinks and all. It's another very interesting place of these premises. Okay, let's go to see that. The swimming pool, what I was talking, is another nice creation. This swimming pool has a two parts, baby pool and the pool for adults. Baby pool, it is like almost 3 feet deep, and the eldest one, it is like almost 5 feet. The length is 40 feet and width is 20 feet. See this water, very fresh. It's really fresh, because this water, they are taking to this water. They are taking water to this pool from the natural water spring. Really, I need to have a swim, but unfortunately I didn't bring my swimming suit for this. What to do? Anyhow, so you all can come here and enjoy with this pool. It's really good because I can feel the temperature of the water, and it's really open to the sky. You can have good invite to this place. And this is the place for a swim. And after they finish and after they swim, they can enjoy with food in this natural huts. So, and they can have a library in there, small library, and the place for little games like chess or darts and carom, something like that. Yeah, I think this is ideal place for the families, especially because you know when we stuck with busy life in a city, so we can come out from that busy life and come to the places like this, and they can have a really fun time and interesting time with these natural places. So this is ideal place for the families as well as the friends. Go for outing, have a peaceful drink, have a good food, especially for the village food, and enjoy with swimming with the fresh water. Not only that, they can have some other activities. You can see one of the interesting place again behind myself. You can see the ladder, the bamboo ladder. When you're going to get up from the bamboo ladder, you can reach to the some platforms. That platforms they made with the interesting tree. My friend, that tree called Gamboj tree. Gamboj tree is very useful tree for Sri Lankans because especially for the southern people, south people in Sri Lanka, because we have some different dishes in different part of the country. The southern part we are special for the fish dish called fish ambultial. Fish ambultial made out with tuna fish. We can't make that fish ambultial dish without that fruit. That is wild fruit called gamboj. It has a sour taste. At the moment, I'm very lucky. I can show you the gamboj fruit for you in there. Come with me. Now I'm going to get up to the tree with this bamboo ladder. I'm big sure no problem with me. Please come. Now I am standing on a wooden platform. This platform they made out with kitul tree. I found a nice book. A still for spool. I found it in this small mini library. Actually, this is not only place for the swimming or feel something with nature. We can have some peaceful time to read something. See, it's really interesting mud hut and surroundings are really peaceful. It's very good for the reading. I found a nice small library in here. It has a lot of books, very interesting books. Something talking about nature and some Buddhism, all these things. I feel this is one of the outstanding experience to spend the time in really calm. So I should thanks to the person owner who created this place. He wanted to have some different experiences. So this is one of that.
Yeah.
Very tired. I'm really hungry now. Uh, that's why I came here. Chef Dammika will make a special dish for me, and after that I can enjoy that food with Chef Dammika. He's going to make me a very interesting country food. So I don't know what it could be. I'm waiting for his dish. Thank you. Yes, my friend. My ambition was give you another good experience for your life, wrap with real nature. So that's why I wanted to found this place and I wanted to visit this place, and honestly I really enjoy with this product. My friend, what I have to say, this is an ideal place for you to go out and spend the time with your family, and you can enjoy with nature and some activities in here, and you can have a good lodging in there with that villa, and it's very good for 2 days. I can recommend it for you because you can have a night trails, you can have a bird watching chances, you can have a natural swimming pool swim and good stay in a beautiful villa, and you can have a delicious food, especially that foods are really organic. It's come from their own garden, not only vegetables, fruits, and all. You can have a beautiful village food in here. So please come and enjoy with this place. So that is one of the beautiful journey. Please join with me. Thank you very much. Aiba.